Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a tile cleaner. So the ingredients: 4.5 liter of water, and then 800 gram TSP, 50 gram NP9, 50 milliliter formalin, 15 milliliter perfume, and a bit of pink dye, 200 gram slice, and 40 gram salt. So let's start our tile cleaner. So here's our water, 4.1 liter of water, and then let's put our 50 gram NP9 and mix it together. And then here's our formalin. We are going to use 50 milliliter of formalin, and then we mix it together. We mix it. And then guys, I put my perfume. I put it in here guys. 15 milliliter. And then mix it together. And then we put our dye guys. So here's our dye. So we are going to put a little bit, and then guys, we are going to put just a little bit of dye in our water. Mix it. And then we put our slice, 200 gram slice. And then we mix it. And then so guys, to make it thick, we are going to use salt. We are going to use salt. So we are going to put 40 gram of salt. And then mix it. So yeah guys, after putting that 40 gram of salt, our tile cleaner is ready to be used. So guys, the salt is our thickening in this tile cleaner. So can you see that? Can you see that guys? So yeah guys, please comment, please share, and please guys, subscribe. See you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.